They are resting. Okay. They are resting. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, kami lang po ni Ate Adi. It's a date. Yay! And we're going, where are we going, Ate Adi? To sell bottles. Classic bottles.
Mama and Yaning are not going with us because they have to rest.
They have to rest. Yeah, Mama and Yaning, they have to rest. It's Yaning's nap time. So, it's just you and me. Okay, but we'll be very fast. First time po namin magbenta ng bote. Ngayon, mga plastic bottles. Dito po kasi sa Canada, may recycling depot sila dito. Parang sa atin sa Pinas, parang ang tawag nan? Ano ang tawag sa Pinas? I forgot the name. Parang sa Pinas lang din na mayroong ganito. Pero dito, may ganun dito. And ako personally, pag sobrang parang accessible, so parang naano ko na hindi ka magre-recycle. Lalo na kung meron naman meron namang means to recycle the plastic bottles. So, and subukan natin. First time namin ngayon kasi wala naman kami sa bahay talaga. Hindi naman kami gumagamit ng mga plastic. Ngayon lang na si Yaning kailangan niya ng distilled water. Pero gagraduate na din si Yaning sa distilled water. Kasi ngayon ang gamit namin for Yaning ay para sa din sa amin, brita-brita na lang din. So yeah. Are you ready, Ate Adi?
Yes.
Yes, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. God is able to bless you
Abundantly, so that in all times, having all that you need, you are abound in every good work.
Yay! Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I think it's there. Are they closed today? What day is today, Adi? Saturday. It's Saturday.
You have rice.
These premises are under video sir. Yan po yung i-recycle natin. Oh yeah? Yeah, I think so. I saw that one a while ago. Then we can just put everything here, Ate Adi. And then later we'll sort this one out. Wait muna, okay? Just wait there. Just wait there. There you go. I'm sorry. And we'll push this one there. Yeah. There's $5.90, anak. Wow, is it great? You can get the money from here. Go, Ali, get the money. Thank you so much. How cool is that? How much did we make? Got $5.90. Yay! Let's go. Yeah, how much did we make nga? $5.90. $5.90. Okay, let's go. Off to our car. Ang bilis lang pala. Okay, careful. There's a truck. Okay. Hello po. Say hi. Yan, daan na po kami. Ang bilis lang eh. Tsaka hindi naman masyado marami yung naipon namin din. Kasi, ayun nga. Pag kami, yung mga nakaraan, yeah, there's a hockey sign. Yung mga nakaraan, binibigay namin sa mga kakilala namin na nagre-recycle talaga. This time for a change lang din. Gusto lang din namin ma-experience. Kaya kami mismo gumawa. Kaya, equivalent siya sa junk shop natin sa Pinas, pero I would say that ito more specific siya sa mga drink containers. Ayan.
Mama, Tatay, where are we going?
Where do you wanna go next? Okay, we're going somewhere after this. Nasa bahay lang po si Yaning tsaka si Mama kasi it's Yaning's nap time. Kaya kami naman ay eto, di-date muna kami ni Ate Ali. Yay! Did you enjoy, anak? Yeah. Okay, para lang makita. Dinala ko din. Cold yung hands mo. Okay, don't worry about it. Yeah, just rub it. Yeah. Para din ma-experience ni Adi lang din. Makita niya. So next time, anak, if we have bottles, we have to keep them, okay? Para recycle that. It's good for the environment. It's not just for money, but we're also saving the environment. Yeah. Okay. Sige, bye. Punta po muna kami. Alis kami. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo makakapunta ngayon. Let's see. Maybe we'll go to the dollar store. Do you want to go to the dollar store? Okay, let's check. What do you want to buy? Ari. Ayun, may nabili po kami sa nakuha naming pera. Ate Adi, what did you get? I got
this one.
Ano yan?
Strawberry and vanilla.
Strawberry and vanilla wafer. Yay! See, next time mag-ipon pa tayo ng bottles, okay?
Okay.
Hey. Okay. And now we are going where?
Home.
We're going home. We're going home na po. Yan. Oh.
What do we call them again?
Wafer. And we're going home na po. Nakabili po kami ng dalawang wafer for Ate Adi. Out of the money that we got from recycling bottles.
When Yanang is big na, she will eat this also.
Yeah, but for now, don't give her, okay? That's for you. Kasi I think...
No.
Okay. Okay, we're going home na po. Ooh, love a chicken. Bak, 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 bak. Ooh, love a chicken. Ooh, love a chicken. Bak, 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 bak.
Bak, 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 bak. Love a chicken. Love a chicken. We can also pack this in for school.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Nice idea. Yeah, you can have that one to school then. You can put that one in your lunch kit. Yeah. Ay, nasa bahay na po kami. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin.
Bye.
Bye! Say Ate Adi, bye!
Bye bye.
Come on, they can't see you.
Bye bye.
Maraming salamat po. Paalam.
Paalam.